Hello and welcome. Today, we're taking a closer look at an incredible journey filled with music, resilience, and undeniable talent. In this video, we'll explore the life and legacy of one of the most iconic artists in history. Sit back, relax, and get ready to be inspired by a story that proves dreams can come true with hard work, passion, and courage. This is the story of my favorite artist, Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift is more than just a singer. She is a worldwide icon. Everyone loves her: children, adults, men, women. She has created a lasting legacy, and her Eras Tour proves it. Today, I will tell you all about her life, how she became the richest, most popular, and most successful artist in the world. Taylor has won many awards, broken countless records, and inspired millions of people. This story will help you improve your English, learn new words, and motivate you to keep going after your dreams. So, get ready for one of the most powerful, inspiring, and unforgettable stories ever. Taylor Swift's story. Many years ago, in a small town called West Reading, Pennsylvania, a baby girl was born. Her name was Taylor Allison Swift. She was born on December 13, 1989. From the start, Taylor was not like other kids. She dreamed of becoming a famous singer and songwriter. Her family lived on a Christmas tree farm, and Taylor spent her childhood running through the trees, imagining her future on a big stage. Her parents, Scott and Andrea Swift, soon realized that Taylor was special. While other children played with toys, Taylor wrote poems, sang songs, and made up stories in her little notebook. She looked up to country music star Shania Twain, singing along to her songs and dreaming of being in front of a cheering crowd. Her parents supported her passion. At the age of 9, they enrolled her in singing and acting lessons. She began performing at local events, fairs, and talent shows. But Taylor didn't want to only sing other people's songs. She wanted to write her own. When she was just 11 years old, Taylor traveled with her mom to Nashville, Tennessee, the home of country music. They visited music studios and handed out demo CDs of Taylor's singing. Taylor hoped a record label would notice her, but everyone turned her down. They said she was too young, that she didn't have what it took, and that she should try again when she was older. Can you imagine? A young girl with big dreams, facing rejection over and over again. Most kids would have given up, but not Taylor. Instead of giving up, she worked even harder. By age 12, she taught herself to play guitar and spent hours writing songs, practicing chords, and improving her voice. She was determined to prove everyone wrong. Then something amazing happened. When Taylor was 14, she performed at a cafe in Nashville. A man named Scott Borchetta was in the audience and was amazed by her talent. He was starting a new record label called Big Machine Records, and he signed Taylor as his first artist. From being rejected by every big label to becoming the first artist on a new label, Taylor was finally getting her chance. She worked tirelessly to create her debut album. In 2006, at just 16 years old, Taylor released her first album, called Taylor Swift. One of her songs, Tim McGraw, became a hit, and suddenly, the girl from a Christmas tree farm was on TV, radio, and magazine covers. People noticed that her songs were different. Instead of singing generic love songs, Taylor wrote about real-life feelings, heartbreaks, dreams, and struggles. Her music felt personal, deep, and relatable. This was only the beginning. Taylor Swift was determined not to be just a one-hit wonder. She wanted to become the biggest artist in the world. But success didn't come easily. She had to face jealousy, hate, betrayal, and heartbreak. She had to fight to keep her place in the music industry. But Taylor didn't back down. She kept going with her music, talent, and unstoppable spirit. After her first album, Taylor was ready to aim even higher. In 2008, she released her second album, Fearless. It was a massive hit. Her song Love Story became one of the most famous love songs in history, and You Belong With Me became a global hit. Teens everywhere could relate to her songs. They weren't just about love, they were about dreams, challenges, heartbreaks, and finding strength within yourself. Then something shocking happened. In 2009, Taylor won the award for Best Female Video at the MTV Video Music Awards, VMAs, for her song You Belong With Me. She was so excited and happy. She walked on stage in her beautiful silver dress, ready to give her thank you speech. But before she could finish, Kanye West jumped onto the stage, grabbed the microphone, and said, "Yo, Taylor, I'm really happy for you. I'm going to let you finish. But Beyoncé had one of the best videos of all time. Can you believe it?" Taylor stood frozen, holding her trophy, completely embarrassed in front of millions of people. The audience booed Kanye, and Taylor left the stage in tears. But she didn't let it break her. Later that night, when Beyoncé won her own award, she called Taylor back on stage and let her finish her speech. This moment became one of the most talked about moments in music history. Instead of fighting back, Taylor did what she always does. She turned pain into music. She wrote songs about betrayal, fame, and standing up for herself. She knew people were watching. She knew she had to prove herself again, and she did. By 2010, Taylor Swift was no longer just a country singer. Her third album, Speak Now, was a huge success. She wrote the entire album herself, proving she was not just a singer, but a true songwriter. Back to December was about a past relationship. Mean was about critics who doubted her. Enchanted was about a magical moment. Then, in 2012, she did something no one expected. She changed her sound completely. Her album Red mixed country and pop, with songs like We Are Never Ever Getting Back Together, I Knew You Were Trouble, 22, and, of course, her signature look, red lipstick, eyeliner, and beautiful dresses, became iconic. Taylor was no longer just a country girl. She was becoming a global pop star. But with fame came more challenges, more hate, and more heartbreak. Taylor Swift was at the top of her game. She had won Grammys, Billboard Awards, and was one of the highest-paid artists in the world. Then, her world turned upside down. She had a public breakup with Calvin Harris and a secret relationship with Tom Hiddleston. The biggest betrayal of all, however, came from Kanye West and Kim Kardashian. In one of his songs, Kanye claimed he was responsible for Taylor's fame, which caused a huge controversy. Taylor denied ever approving the lyrics. She was shocked and angry, but then Kim Kardashian posted a Snapchat video showing a recording of Taylor supposedly approving them. People called Taylor a liar, fake, and a snake. For the first time, Taylor disappeared. She stopped posting on social media, didn't release music, and avoided interviews. Everyone thought her career was over, but Taylor wasn't finished. Instead, she was planning the greatest comeback in music history. In 2017, after a year of silence, Taylor Swift returned stronger than ever. She deleted everything from her social media and posted just one thing: a video of a snake. Her album Reputation sent a clear message to the world. I don't care what you think about me. You can't break me. I will rise again. She wasn't the innocent country girl singing about teardrops on a guitar anymore. Taylor embraced the villain image people had given her. She dyed her hair platinum blonde, wore bold red lipstick, dramatic eyeliner, and black outfits that screamed power. "The old Taylor," she famously said, "is dead." With that, she released one of the most iconic albums of her career. Songs like "Look What You Made Me Do" and "Ready for It" weren't just music, they were statements. She was telling the world, "You tried to break me, but I'm still standing." Her Reputation stadium tour broke records, becoming the highest-grossing tour of 2018, earning over $345 million. Every show was a massive spectacle, with Taylor commanding the stage in black leather, knee-high boots, and dazzling outfits. She looked like a queen of the night. Years later, when Taylor announced her Eras tour, no one expected it to become the biggest tour in history. It wasn't just a concert, it was a cultural phenomenon. The tour has already earned over $1.5 billion, making it the highest-grossing tour of all time. People traveled from all over the world to see her perform, some paying thousands of dollars just to witness her magic live. Fans of all ages, children, teenagers, adults, and even grandparents, showed up in glittering outfits, inspired by her different eras. The energy at every concert was electric. When Taylor sang the 10-minute version of All Too Well, fans cried. When she performed Shake It Off, the entire stadium danced like they didn't have a care in the world. And in true Taylor Swift fashion, she didn't just sing, she told a story. Each era had its own unique set design, outfits, and performances, blending her past and present in a way no artist had ever done before. Taylor Swift's success is her revenge. Every time someone tried to bring her down, she rose higher. Every betrayal, every heartbreak, and every cruel headline became part of her story, fueling her to become the most powerful woman in the music industry. Even her concert ticket prices proved her dominance. Booking Taylor Swift for a private event reportedly costs between $1 to $3 million. That's how valuable her presence is. And let's not forget the Grammy Awards. Taylor isn't just winning, she's making history. With 14 Grammys and counting, she's officially the most awarded female artist in Grammy history. Taylor Swift didn't just prove her worth, she reshaped the entire music industry. After years of fighting for artists' rights, she made history in another way. She began re-recording her own albums. Imagine this: you write the songs, you pour your heart and soul into your music, and then someone else owns it. Taylor was furious when Big Machine Records sold the rights to her first 6 albums without her permission. Instead of giving up, she found a brilliant solution: recording those albums and releasing them as Taylor's version. This wasn't just about money, it was about control. Taylor showed the world that her music belonged to her and no one else. Fans stopped streaming the original versions and waited for her recordings. Each one topped the charts, outselling the originals. Taylor's victory was undeniable. She had taken back what was hers. When it comes to her love life, Taylor never shies away from telling her story. Her songs aren't just about breakups, they're powerful, emotional narratives. All Too Well is often considered one of the greatest heartbreak songs ever written, moving fans to tears with its raw honesty. But Taylor doesn't only write about heartbreak. She's penned beautiful love songs, like Lover, and timeless anthems, like You Belong With Me. Now, she's making headlines for her relationship with NFL star Travis Kelce, showing once again that she dominates both the music world and pop culture. Remember the Kanye West incident? Taylor got the ultimate revenge in 2016 when she won Album of the Year at the Grammys. In her speech, she sent a clear message. There will be people along the way who will try to undercut your success or take credit for your accomplishments. But if you focus on the work, one day, you'll know it was you and the people who love you who put you there. It was a historic moment, and it solidified her position as a trailblazer in the music industry. But let's not forget her financial success. With her record-breaking Eras tour, massive album sales, and savvy business decisions, Taylor's net worth in 2025 is estimated at over $1.6 billion. That's more than many Hollywood stars and top athletes. She's built a real estate empire worth $400 million, owning properties in New York, Rhode Island, Beverly Hills, and Nashville. She even owns a Dassault Falcon 900 private jet worth $40 million, making it easy for her to perform worldwide. Taylor's Scottish fold cat, Olivia Benson, is valued at an astonishing $97 million, further showcasing her incredible wealth and influence. Her Eras tour has already become the highest-grossing tour in history, earning over $1.5 billion. Fans travel from all over the world, often paying exorbitant amounts just to experience her magic live. Each performance is more than a concert. It's a cultural event. From emotional renditions of All Too Well to high-energy sing-alongs of Shake It Off, the Eras Tour is a testament to her unstoppable reign as a music icon. Taylor Swift's journey proves that nothing is impossible. She started as a young girl with a dream, faced countless rejections and challenges, and never gave up. Today, she's a billionaire, a record breaker, and a global legend. Her story teaches us that with hard work, talent, and determination, we can overcome any obstacle and achieve greatness. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Share it with friends, and let us know your favorite moment from the story in the comments. Turn on notifications so you never miss another inspiring tale. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.